Alright, what's up? Again, I am back with another video. We're going to be building the Batman set, the helmet. We also built this on another small video that I haven't finished yet. Ashton and his friend Dylan came over, played with all the Legos, and built it. And he took it home, so I don't actually have it to show you right now. But I haven't been on a lot lately because of work, and I'm just trying to get back into my normal schedule instead of all this mandatory overtime to where I can make more videos. And yeah, just remember, go like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff if you want to keep up with what I'm doing, because I will be putting one out pretty much every week and maybe a couple short videos, but it's just hard for me to get the bigger, longer videos in there, and then for me to even go out to shop for sets. So let's get on this Batman project. Okay, let's go ahead and show you my setup. It's pretty cool looking. Thank you for the ring light, Melissa. So we'll be building on that. So let's go ahead and start with bag number 1. And I am going to speed this up for y'all, just to speed it up because it's going to take me a long time. So we finished bag number 1, and we're on to bag number 2. Remember, go like, subscribe, comment, and let's go ahead and start bag number 2. Okay, we're on to bag number 3. This thing is looking pretty sweet. I like it. Let's keep going. Bag number 3 and finish this off because it is actually looking really nice. So, bag number 3. So we finished it. It is done. It is actually really cool. I like it. So here it is. Yeah, just check it out. It's actually really nice. I like it a lot. It's gonna go right next to this Batmobile that I have right here. I just really like it. It's really streamlined and comes off the stand really easily. Like sets on there pretty firmly. But yeah, that's it for this video. Tomorrow I'm gonna probably be moving around the Avengers stuff and the Star Wars stuff in my front room and cleaning it up a little bit so that I can start working on the Lego room in here. So that's what the videos will be for right now. It's because Ashton got all his sets back to his room, and I will show you what his setup looks like at his house pretty soon. But other than that, it's the end of this video. So remember, go like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.